Midway's magnet program is an arts magnet program. We're the only arts magnet elementary school in Seminole County, the only artful learning school in the state of Florida and actually on the East Coast. And students benefit by accessing a variety of arts classes from band, orchestra, chorus, dance. We also have Millennium Middle School next door, so students can continue that arts magnet pathway all the way through 8th grade. Artful learning is made up of 4 components: experience, inquiry, create, and reflect, and that's embedded into all content areas and all grade levels. In our arts classes, you have to experiment often, which builds problem-solving skills and resilience and adaptability, and students are able to translate that and apply it into their classrooms.
In strings and in all of our music classes, reading, fluency, math, all of these things translate into the classroom, and those are skills that we really hone in on and gives our students confidence and success in and out of my room and in their classroom.
Artful learning helps to build confidence for students because first off, it allows them to tap into their left and right brain. That helps them to solve problems. It also allows them to be creative. Sometimes in the classroom, they don't get those times to put their individuality into their projects they're learning. Arts allows them to see which arts they focus on and gravitate towards, and that builds the confidence that they can translate into the classroom also.
One thing you will hear often at Midway is we can do hard things, and when I first got here as principal, I thought there's no way I can play a violin, and by visiting Miss Senko's orchestra class and seeing every single student from kindergarten through 5th grade playing violin or cello, I now have the confidence in myself that I can play violin. So the arts are a great way to foster confidence in our students that I can do hard things, and that does translate to the classroom, because if you can play a violin at 5 years old, you can do anything.